Hello everyone, I'm Raven Barrogo and I'm with Tatlonghari and Wendell B. Zaragosa. Today we will discuss to you our study entitled Web-Based Application in INVI Clothing Co. Ordering System with Sales Monitoring and Inventory Management. And let's start our presentation.
Hi, good day. My name is Paul, and today's agenda are the presentation of revisions and recommendation from the system. So, from our front end, first is the cancellation of the same day delivery in terms and condition.
Good day, I'm Wendell Zaragosa from BSIT 4E. Today, I will talk about our system revisions. Let's start with our front end. And our first system revision is adding terms of conditions about cancellation of order. Express delivery or same day delivery is only available from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Items that are successfully placed with express delivery or same-day delivery can no longer be cancelled.
Second is to include the terms and condition of delayed returned items.
The second one is about adding terms of conditions for delayed return of items. So that in the Clothing Co. only allows 3 business days to request for return item. Once not requested within the given time, in the Clothing Co. is no longer responsible for any damage or defect from the product. Returned items are still for approval by the admin. Upload a photo of the product and write the detailed reason for the return.
The third is to find a way for orders that exceeds the expected delivery days for customer satisfaction.
For our third system revision, we are asked to find a way if the order is beyond 2 to 3 business days and not delivered yet. So what we did is to add information in our frequently asked questions. Here's the added information. In the Clothing Co. Ship the item 1 to 2 days after the receive date. So the customers can see shipped order by going to profile orders track. If not received yet, we're asking our customers to contact in the Clothing Co.
And for the back end, the removal of edit and delete, especially in the inventory.
For the backend system revisions, we are asked to remove the edit and delete module, especially on inventory. Once the admin add the stocks on inventory, they will no longer edit or delete stocks.
Secondly is to generate report per supplier.
The second system revision for our backend, we are asked we are asked to generate a report per supplier. Once the inventory status is on critical level, the admin can generate a report to a specific supplier. And if the admin wants to restock or purchase order, they can contact a specific supplier.
The third is to remove approval of orders to lessen human intervention.
The third backend system revisions is the removal of approving of orders and the cancellation of orders on admin side. So once the customer placed an order, the admin will no longer cancel orders. And the admin can update order status to processing, ship, delivered only.
The fourth is to return order to connect to the system.
The next backend system revision is the return order connected to the system. So the developers develops a request return module that the customers required to input the order number, stock keeping unit, the reason for returning items, the quantity of items that they want to return. And the additional comments here is optional while the upload image is required. Once the return orders is submitted, it will reflect on the return orders page on the admin section. And if a customer's input an invalid order number or stock keeping unit, the system will recognize it and shows validation like this. And if the status is pending, the action provides three modules: view details, accept, and reject. And if the status is rejected or accepted, the action the accept and reject module will no longer appear. Once the return order is accepted, it will reflect on the inventory of the finished products. As you can see, there are total of 7 products and the sold products is 2. At first, this is 4, and when the admin accept the 2 returned products, it will automatically deduct on sold products. So 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. And the remaining on stocks is still the same, which is 3.
And the last one is to add variation to products.
The last revision is to add variations to products. So let's add new product. Once product details is submitted, there will be add variation function in action. So let's click add variation. Here we can add multiple variation. Choose an image for every variations. After submission, we can now put stocks. Every variation must have stocks. So let's click stock in. After all necessary details have been completed, the admin can now publish the product by clicking the action button, then publish. To check, we will be showing the shop page in the product showcase. And every variation has a specified number of stocks. For example, for this white variation, the remaining stock for extra small is 2, while ca- the khaki, the remaining stocks for extra small is 7.
And that's the end of our presentation.
Thank you for listening.
May God bless you all.